For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline. The number of cases in the 5 southern states, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Karnataka have seen an increase in COVID cases since lockdown has been eased. Tamil Nadu has reported 15,512 cases, Andhra Pradesh 2,757 cases, Karnataka 1,959 cases, Telangana 1,813 cases and Kerala 795 cases as of 23rd May. The total number of cases stands at 22,836 cases. Cases in Tamil Nadu are increasing by the day, and especially the Coimbatore cluster in Chennai, from where 3,000 cases have been reported. Chennai alone has reported over 5,000 cases of the 15,512 cases reported as on May 23rd. Tamil Nadu has reported a total of 15,512 cases as on May 23rd. The active cases stands at 7,918, while the recovered cases stand at 7,491 and 103 deaths have been reported so far. The bordering towns of Andhra Pradesh have been the worst hit. The mortality rate in Andhra Pradesh is less as they have sealed off their borders to all the other states. Andhra Pradesh has reported a total of 2,757 cases as on May 23rd, 892 active cases. Recovered cases stands at 1,809 and 56 deaths have been reported so far. Kerala has the lowest cases and mortality rate in South India. Initially, more number of cases were reported from Kerala, but they were successful in containing the deadly virus. Kerala has reported a total of 795 cases as on May 23rd, 280 active cases. Recovered cases stands at 515 and 4 deaths have been reported so far. Karnataka has reported a total of 1,959 cases but has reported 42 deaths, and therefore the mortality percentage is high, and this has caused a lot of problem for the state. Karnataka has reported a total of 1,959 cases as on May 23rd, 1,309 active cases. Recovered cases stands at 608 and 42 deaths have been reported so far. Telangana has reported a huge spike in the number of COVID-19 cases, and what's worrying is that more and more cases are being reported in clusters which had been inactive for a long period. Telangana has reported a total of 1,813 cases as on May 23rd, 699 active cases. Recovered cases stands at 1,065 and 49 deaths have been reported so far. COVID-19 cases have been on the rise in South India, but equally the recovery rate is improving and the mortality rate is low. But if clusters are not found, this could spell doom for South India.